I want to welcome you to our new listing today in Enatai. It's very close to the waterfront park, Enatai Beach. I want to talk about my 5 favorite things of our new listing, 3019. And one of our really top favorites is the gate. This house is totally gated and fenced, completely private, and you have a wonderful courtyard area in the front for little kids to play, ride their toys. When I walk you to the backyard, you'll see it's totally private space. Well, this is feature number 2 of our favorite things, and it's the backyard. It's completely fenced and totally private and super green. And you have this wonderful deck and patio area for all those great, wonderful afternoon summer days. Now we're going to move inside the house, and we're going to go to my 3rd favorite thing, and it is the craft room. All right, this is our 3rd favorite thing, and this is the craft room, and it has great light in here. You have tall windows, and it has indirect light. I am a quilter, so a room like this would be totally special to me and use. You found me. I'm in my 4th favorite room. It's the master. And look at this great sitting area, and you have fantastic fireplace, also room for writing, and a wonderful master bath. This is our 4th favorite space. This is my 5th favorite feature of this home, and it is the flow. If you're going to have company and lots of guests, what's great is this house has great circulation to it. Here's your family room, open again to the backyard, and really a fantastic dining area in the kitchen. And here you are, just going right around to the kitchen, which continues, and this moves right into the dining room, which is then connected to the living room. It is one of the best floor plans I've ever seen in a home. Great light, wonderful windows all the way around, and you know, you can have a group of 50 plus people here, and they would just all be connected to the kitchen, their favorite space. Everybody lives in the kitchen when you have a party. Thanks for joining us today for this great new listing we have, 3019, and we'll see you next time.